Have you ever pondered the significance of search and rescue operations in civil aviation? This topic is not just relevant to pilots and aviation professionals, but it also holds a vital importance for every individual who steps aboard an aircraft. Today, we're delving into the intricate world of ICAO Annex 12, titled Search and Rescue (SR), a critical document that lays the groundwork for international search and rescue operations in civil aviation. ICAO Annex 12 (SR) is a comprehensive document that sets the standards and recommended practices for search and rescue operations related to civil aviation. Its purpose is to ensure the effective coordination, execution, and management of SR efforts, aimed at safeguarding the lives and well-being of individuals involved in aviation incidents and emergencies. First and foremost, the purpose and scope of Annex 12 SAR is to establish international standards for the provision of effective search and rescue services for aircraft in distress. It applies to all contracting states of ICAO and covers a broad spectrum of civil aviation operations, including both commercial and general aviation activities. Organization and coordination form the backbone of any effective search and rescue operation. Annex 12 SR mandates the establishment of designated search and rescue authorities and coordination centers. These entities serve as the central hub for receiving distress alerts, coordinating response efforts, and disseminating crucial information to all relevant parties. Communication is the key to successful coordination. Annex 12 SAR emphasizes on the need for robust communication networks. These networks should facilitate timely and accurate exchange of information across an array of platforms and mediums. The Annex also provides a detailed outline of the procedures for prompt detection and alerting of search and rescue authorities in the event of an aircraft emergency. This includes requirements for aircraft to carry emergency locator transmitters and guidelines for processing distress alerts from various sources. Once an emergency is detected, search operations come into play. Annex 12 SAR provides guidance for conducting these operations, from determining search areas, deploying search assets such as aircraft and vessels, to adopting search patterns optimized for different environmental conditions and terrain types. Rescue operations follow the search phase. Annex 12 SR delineates procedures for conducting rescue operations to assist individuals in distress. This includes the deployment of rescue assets, provision of medical assistance, and coordination of efforts to transport survivors to safety. Coordination with other agencies and organizations is an essential part of successful SAR operations. Annex 12 SAR underscores the importance of collaboration among SAR stakeholders, including maritime rescue authorities, military forces, and international organizations. Last but not least, Annex 12 SAR encourages states to establish training programs and conduct regular exercises to enhance the readiness and capabilities of SR personnel and agencies. Training and exercises help identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement in SAR response capabilities. In essence, ICAO Annex 12 SAR serves as a beacon in the vast landscape of aviation safety and security. It provides a standardized framework for regulating and managing search and rescue operations, ensuring that when the unexpected happens, the world is ready to respond.